guys, we'll be looking at part 2 of compound shapes, and that is defining the area. Now before we begin, let us define area. Area can be defined as the number of square units it takes to cover a surface or a shape. So the first one we're going to look at is, oh by the way, composite shapes are when you combine two or more shapes. So it's two or more shapes combined. And let me just draw this. Got this very interesting question. Like theta and sin over late. Mr. Bennett. I'm just gonna use a different color ink. With Mr. Bennett the work never ends, you know what I mean? So I use a different color to people can kind of depict what I want. Let's just put in some measurement. We got this to be 14. This was 20. This is 25. And you're asked to find the area. Now, what we have to do is examine the two shapes, or if it's three shapes, we examine if it's the type of shape. After we examine the type of shape, we calculate each separately and then we add the total, and that will be the total area. So first thing you ask yourself, what type of shape is this and what type of shape is this. Now this is a trapezium, right? You see? And this will be a semicircle or half of a circle. Alright, so we can find the area of the trapezium first, and then so area of trapezium, we could call this A, this is B, and this times I. So the area is A plus B divided by 2 times the height. So let's put this in perspective now. A is 20 plus 25 divided by 2 times the height, which is 14. So this will be 45 divided by 2 times 14. Work out the bracket first. 22.5, so it's 22.5 times 14. I think I'll just try and fix my calculator for that part. It's much quicker. 25.5 or 22 rather. 22.5 times 14. So this works out to 315. Remember, we didn't get the units. Square, so it's centimeter square. Alright, so now we work out the semicircle. So, circle is pi r square, and we'll just divide by 2, right? Because it's half of a circle. So if all of this is 14, that means halfway would be 7, which is the diameter, which is the radius. So we are given the diameter and we're going to calculate the radius. So radius, we'll just divide 14 by 2 and we'll get the radius. So it will be 22 over 7 times 7 times 7. So 154 divided by 2. 77, 742. So this works out to 77 centimeters square. So the total would be this plus this. So it's 315 plus 77. 7 and 5, 12, 2 1, 8, 9, plus 392 centimeters square. That will be our answer. Alright guys, let's look at our next one. Bam. They gave us something like this. Let's say that was 6. This was no. Let's say this one 6. Now let's say this was 8. And you're asked to find how to put in a right angle triangle here. You kind of indicate to us that use a right angle right here. Alright, so we're asked to find the area of that, given only that, right? So we're given the height. This is basically the height. And they indicate to us that it's 2 identical right angle triangle, right? And this side is 8. And they told us that this was a square. I'm not gonna write the notes, but that is what they told us. That's a square. So what it means, square has all sides equal. So right here is 8 also. So we can just split it and say this is 4 and this is 4. So in order to find the area of a triangle, we can find the area of a triangle first. Let's highlight it. Is base times height divided by 2, right? So you can either do it one way. You can just multiply 6 times 8, but some people will get confused, right? Or we can just, both of these are equal, so we don't really have to half it. But since I could just follow the formula, half the base times the height. So what's the base? The base would be 8, right? So it's 8 times the height, which is 6 divided by 2. 8 6 is 48. And divide by 2. No, this will be 4. So if I see my work it out here. So it's 6 by 4 rather. Base times height, 6 by 4. 6 4 is 24. Divided by 2, so we get 12. So if one is 12, the other would be 12, right? So it's 24. So area for the triangle is 24 centimeters square. So now we can find the area of a square, which is square side times side. So that's 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. So now, the compound shape, we're going to combine both areas. So it's 64 plus 24. So that's 88 centimeters square. And that will be our answer. Alright, 30 seconds to get down there. Guys, remember, always pause the video and try. Alright? Alright, this one is, the next one is going to be a little bit different. Again, pause the video and try. That music in the background is for concentration, guys. To help you guys concentrate. It's violin. You need to listen to violin every day to increase your concentration. It relaxes your brain and so forth. Mr. Bennett World studies are showing that, alright? is a little bit different. Again, pause the video after I give the instruction. Alright, so they asked us to find the area of the shaded region. So let me just shade the region. They asked us to find the area of this region. So guys, just if you're online, you should be up now. Now it's 1 o'clock. If you're online, try it. Leave it in the comment section. But I doubt anyone is up. Guys, I'm using a second stream, so right now I can't really see if anyone is online. But we love teaching so much that we do this anytime a day. Alright, so welcome back. You should have paused the video and you should have attempted it yourself. We're gonna find the area of the shaded region. Now if you look at it carefully, there's no formula to find this inside piece alone. However, if we think about it, if we find the area of all of this and we subtract out the area of this, we're left with this, right? So let's just find the area of the big triangle. We're gonna call it triangle A, not triangle, rectangle A. So rectangle A, let's just find the area, and that is a big one, so it will be 7. 7 times 30. 7 3 is 21. 717, so that's 91 centimeters square. Remember, a rectangle is length times width. So now we find the area of a small one, which is 4 by 1. Oh, it's easy. So 4 by 1 is 4 centimeters square. So the area of the shaded region would be 91 centimeters square minus 4 centimeters square, and that gives us 87. So the area for this, guys, is meter actually. Unit was meter given. My bad. So it would be 24. So it would be 87 meters. Alright. We're gonna look at another one before we go and before we end the live. Don't know, the word never ends me something. Never, 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 never. Right, so when we reach 1,000, then tell me when I was the crazy output on her. You know what I mean? Just try and draw this as best as how they have it in the book. Alright, so boom. Again, after I finish, you pause the video. Most of you will be watching in the morning, so just pause the video and try, right? All of my questions, them, just try them for yourself. Then you can compare answers and so forth. So from right here to right here is 5. Give us this to be 8. And give us right here, from here to here, this is 4. Let's see what they say now. They gave us all of this. Just draw an arrow from right here to right here is. Let's use a different color. From right here to right here is 10. Alright, so let's go now. Not sure how you guys did it. By now you should have finish it and pause the video and come back. Alright, I'm thinking I can go this route, just split it right here, since as we have this and then we have that, right, small one, because you can find the measurement for right here, and we know the measurement for right here. Yeah man, we have got a route here, so we call this A and this B. I like the route here. So the area of A, which is a rectangle, so it's 5 by 8, right? So it's, let's put it in there. So it's 5 centimeter times 8 centimeter. 5 8 is 40 centimeter square. And for B now, look up it. All of this is 10. And from right here to right here is 5. So 10 take away 5, that leaves us with 5. And this one is kind of easy. All of it is 8. From right here to right here is 4. So it means this would also be 4. See it? Opposite sides are equal. And this is 5. So it would be 5 by 4. So it's 5 by 4, which is 20 centimeters square. So we'll add 40 plus 20 gives us 60 centimeters square, and that is the area. Guys, I'm kind of tired, you know. I don't want to leave some work with you guys, but do it for yourself. Next video, I'm upload some questions. Thanks for watching.